Well, quite a day it's been, and I think the much awaited the government that was betting big on LIC IPO finally sees its closing today. We are waiting for the listing. So to start off with, if you could help us with this information that despite all the kind of criticism that was coming, be it the valuation, be it government's decision to bring down its dilution, of course, the external factors that were impacting because of the geopolitical issues, do you think the listing day will be good enough to give a response to everybody who was commenting on this?
No, there is no, there is no need to for me to respond on that thing. Our effort has been that LIC needs to be listed. We have worked very hard for it. LIC has worked very hard for it. People have a lot of, loyalty, respect for LIC, which is also, gauged from the fact that there's such a large issue. In fact, the largest in the history has been under these conditions also has been very well lifted and lifted largely by domestic investors, including policyholders, including employees, including retailers. So it is also leading to deepening of capital markets. So I think it's a proud moment for all of us.
So you did mention about the positive impact that's been seen from the domestic investors. So coming to you, I think one of the major concerns that has been coming out is about the low participation of FII. So in that scenario, do you think if we would have taken this call of pushing the IPO launch by 3 to 4 months, it would have been better?
See, the government would like to have valued it considering its intrinsic and core value, not the value, which fluctuates on a day-to-day or a month-to-month basis. And that's what we have done. So irrespective of the timing, the value should remain same. And that's what, so we have given a fair value to it. The FIIs have also come in. It's not as if FIIs have not come in. They have participated, and if they have participated in lesser degree, that has been more than made up for by the domestic investors.
So just a closing word, we've observed that as in when DIPAM proceeds with certain kind of asset sales, there's been a lot of criticism in terms of court cases that comes up also. Do you have a word to say that how is the kind of preparation you have to do to battle these kind of external factors that keep coming?
No, I think we have to be ready that we are dealing with public assets. We do it with the most stringent system of transparent competitive bidding, keeping in view that we are dealing with public assets. But still, people have a right to challenge because I think that's what democracy is. And we always go back to courts and give our point of view. And most of the time, that gets vindicated. Of course, it takes time, but that is what, when we are dealing with public systems, we got to be ready for that, for any accountability.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe.